Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play FIFA for beginners. First, let's cover the absolute basics. You'll want to get comfortable with moving your players using the left stick and passing the ball with the X or a button. Shooting is typically done with the circle or B button, and tackling with square or X. Spend about 10 minutes in the practice arena to get a feel for these core actions before jumping into a match. Once you're comfortable with the basics, let's talk offense. Through balls, often performed with triangle or Y, are key for sending attackers into space. Try to string together 3 or 4 short passes to move the ball up the field, drawing defenders out of position. Don't forget to experiment with simple skill moves, like a body feint, to get past an opponent and create a clear shot on goal. Now, let's shift our focus to defense, which is just as crucial as attacking. When defending, hold the R1 or RB button to call a second defender to pressure the ball carrier. Use the L1 or LB button to quickly switch between your players, ensuring you always have someone covering the most dangerous opponent. Remember to time your standing tackles carefully to avoid fouls and win possession back. To truly elevate your FIFA game, start exploring custom tactics and formations. A 4-4-2 formation offers a balanced approach, for example. Dedicate some time to practicing set pieces. A well-placed corner kick can lead to an easy goal. Finally, play against a variety of opponents, both AI and human, to adapt your strategies and continuously refine your skills on the virtual pitch.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.